Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew steak. First, choose about 2 pounds of chuck roast and cut it into 1.5-inch cubes. Pat the steak pieces very dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful sear. Next, season the meat generously with 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, ensuring every piece is coated evenly. Now, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Brown the seasoned steak in batches, ensuring not to overcrowd the pot. Sear each side for about 3 to 4 minutes until it develops a deep golden crust. Remove the steak, then add 1 large chopped onion and 3 minced garlic cloves to the pot, sautéing until they are fragrant and softened. Next, deglaze the pot with 1 cup of beef broth, scraping up all those flavorful brown bits from the bottom. Return the brown steak to the pot, then add 3 more cups of beef broth and 1 bay leaf. Bring it to a gentle simmer, cover, and cook for about 1.5 hours. After this, stir in 2 cups of chopped carrots and 2 cups of cubed potatoes. Continue simmering the stew for another 30 to 45 minutes, or until the carrots and potatoes are fork tender. If you prefer a thicker stew, create a slurry with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and a little cold water, then stir it into the simmering liquid until it thickens. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, remove the bay leaf, let the stew rest for 10 minutes, and serve it piping hot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.